Welcome to So Yarn Crafty.
Hello everyone, today I'll be unboxing the new Instant Pot. This is a Duo Evo Plus. This of course serves up to 8 people. And what we're going to do is, as soon as I take it out, we're going to do the water test to see if it's running correctly. So here we go. Okay, so here it is. Everything has been taken off of it except for this piece right here at the end. I gotta take this off, but here's the lid. This is what all came with it: the lid, and you have an extra sealing ring, and you have the steaming rack. This came with it. And of course I like this because this pot has the handles, and also it has this nice flat bottom so you can cook on the stove top. Okay. This pot also came with the safety maintenance warranty manual and the instructions on how to use and care for it, the getting started guide. On page 15 it tells you how to do the water test. Okay, so I rinsed it out, as you can see. Okay, and the first thing you want to do is, I took the cover, well, you want to put 3 cups of water into your inner pot. This right here, this is called your inner pot. And of course, inside of here is the cooking base. Once you do that, you take the cap off your new cord, you plug it up. And then next you want to put your lid on. Okay. You hear that sound? Okay, that was letting you know that you got the lid on. Of course, you don't have it locked. What you're supposed to do is make sure that as you're putting it on, make sure this aligns right here. And of course, as it says, you turn this way to close, this way to open. So right now we're going to close it. See? Now it's locked. Okay, so whenever you close the lid, and you heard the little music, the little chime, when it closed, it automatically sets to seal. This is the quick release right here. Get this right here. This is the quick release, and it automatically sets up to seal whenever you close this lid. Okay, so now all you have to do is program it. Okay, so now we're going to do the water test. So the first thing you do is that you select pressure cook right here. And then when it says custom, you see the custom. Here, let's see if I can get you a better picture. Custom is flashing right there. That's custom. So you push in the dial to select custom. Now, you change this to say 5 minutes. These are the hours. These are the minutes. Now, once you get to 5 minutes, you just hit start to begin. Start is right here. Okay, so now it's on. It's going to begin preheating, and once it's pressurized, the cooking is going to begin. So it's going to display changes from on to cook time countdown. Okay, so it's going to count down for 5 minutes. The thing that you're looking for is that you don't want it to have any weird sounds, like any hissing or loud knocking or anything like that. Okay, it should just be a nice smooth going. This should just cook nice and smooth. So as you can see, this is still preheating. It's been about 2.5–3 minutes so far, and it just went from this bar to the one that's beeping right now. So when it's done preheating, well, it'll go to that 3rd bar right there. That's when you see that it's done preheating, and then it'll start the countdown here. Right now, I just hear like a very low boil. Okay, so now it's pressurized and it's starting to cook now. At the end of it pressurizing, during the preheating, you heard and you seen some steam come out, and you heard some noises like from the steam and everything come out. It came out some from the front and from the back, a little bit of the sides, but shortly thereafter it stopped. And so this is what it sounds like while it's cooking. Nice, low, and quiet. Okay, when this cooking cycle is done, this is going to move to keep warm. Keep warm is right there. Let's see if I can get you. It's going to be right there. Keep warm. Okay, and then what we're going to do is come up here and turn the quick release from seal right here down to vent. And this float valve is going to fall down. We're at 3 minutes now. Okay, so it beeped when the cooking was done, and now it's on keep warm. So now we're going to go to the quick release and change it from seal to vent. You don't have to hold that. Okay, it's been 3 minutes. All the pressure is released, and that float valve went down just like that in 3 minutes. Okay, so now it's ready to open. I'm moving the lid from closed to open. Just line it up right here to open. Okay. There we go. So there it is, it's open. And to me, that was a success. I didn't hear much of anything while it was cooking. So that was a success. So now all you have to do is just throw away the water, dry out the pot. I would wash out the pot too. If you didn't wash it out before, wash out the pot and you can start cooking. So thank you for watching this video on how to do the water test on the Instant Pot. So please like, subscribe, and share, and hit that notification bell for future videos. Thank you. Goodbye.